Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best strategy to choose Cash App versus Venmo. Alright, to decide which of these apps suits you the best, I'm going to help you with the best strategy to choose. Okay, so the best strategy is to focus on how you actually move money on a day-to-day basis. Cash App is better suited for fast transfers, for direct deposits, for investing features, and for users who want a simple bank-like experience. It works well for freelancers, small businesses, and individuals who prefer, minimal social interaction. Venmo, on the other hand, is more, socially oriented and fits casual peer payments among friends, shared expenses, and of course, group activities. Consider privacy preferences, transaction visibilities, and of course how you split bills versus how you receive income. Also compare fee structures and withdrawal options. Choosing the right platform reduces friction and misuse. And of course, the best choice is not about features alone, but about which app naturally fits your payment habits without forcing workarounds or unnecessary exposure. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.